Thanks, Paul. I'm an immunisation paediatrician in Victoria, and I'm also an immunisation researcher and educator. I'm very pro-disease prevention and very pro-immunisation. I'm yet to meet anyone more pro-immunisation than myself. But I vehemently oppose the Victorian law, no jab, no play. Each week I see families in a bulk bill clinic with complex immunisation issues. People have had vaccine reactions, and some families have just got a lot of concerns about immunisation side effects. I really respect people's questions about immunisations. I think all immunisations are medications, and all medications have side effects. And I believe in an education-based approach to immunisations where we foster trust and engagement and, as Nikki Turner says, community buy-in with the vaccines. And I believe in that in combination with pre-calls like they started in Hunter, New England, reminders, funded vaccines like we've now got up to the age of 20, and easy access. And I don't want people to be disadvantaged by strategies to increase immunisation coverage. And the Victorian law, no jab, no play, it disadvantages children and their families. I think denying a child entry into kindergarten is wrong. I think it's a disproportionate response to the risk that a fully immunised child has in being in a kindergarten with a very small number of children who aren't 100% up to date with their immunisations. And that risk is disproportionate to the punishment. And in addition, there are many options. There are many options of other ways to maintain and increase immunisation coverage. One of the important things to me is that some people in the room maybe don't work in Victoria, and maybe you don't meet these children who have been denied kindergarten for the last 2 years. Some people may otherise these children or families. And if you otherise someone, you kind of view them as the enemy, as being an enemy with less rights and not deserving of rights and care and respect. I've spent over 1,000 hours in conversation with families who have concerns about immunisation side effects, and the vast majority of these families immunise their children, and a few of them don't give all the immunisations on time in the schedule. But I don't think the children should be punished because of this, and I'm yet to meet one of these families in the last 2 years who I think deserves to be denied kindergarten. So my final point for now is that people working in Victoria need to quite urgently speak up and share their individual stories of the children that are being disadvantaged because of this law, because the no jab, no play law could very soon become national, and I want it discussed before it's extended to include entrance into school. Thank you.